Hello everyone, welcome to another new video on Let's Mathemagic. So I hope all of you know the story of the thirsty crow. That was a very hot day and the crow was very thirsty. Then it found one pot with a very little water in it, and that water level was very deep down. The crow was not able to reach out the level of the water, so it was not able to drink the water. But what we usually do, that we lose hope and we think that no, maybe this is not the time, maybe this is not my time, maybe some days later. No, the crow decided that I have to make it out. Let's find out how. So then what it did, it found some pebbles, some stones around the pot. So slowly and gradually it started picking them one after another and dropped it inside the pot. And the water level rose up and then it able to drink out the water. So what is the moral of the story? If there is a will, there is a way. Now, as we are in the Let's Mathemagic video, so there will be something new for learning, right? So I made this video for a different purpose. One question was evolving around me, that whether the crow knew the Archimedes principle. I hope many of you know the Archimedes principle. That when an object is partially or completely immersed inside a liquid, it displaces the same amount of liquid which is equal to the volume of that, and the object which is immersed partially or completely inside the liquid, that feels an upthrust equal to the weight of it. So here the same thing happens, right? So I just want to change the moral of the story a bit in a more scientific and a more less mathematical way, that the crow knew the Archimedes principle. So it started throwing some stones and pebbles in the pot, and that stones, those pebbles, they actually help the water level to rise up because of the Archimedes principle, because the water level rose because of the volumes of the pebbles. That's all for today. I hope now in the same way you all try to find out a mathematical, a scientific way of thinking any matters in your daily life. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and keep in touch with Let's Mathemagic. See you soon.